Hello world, Wendy from Cali here, back with another Color Play by Color Street subscription box unboxing. This is the May 2025 Twisted Tie-Dye box, and I just got it today, and we are going to see what's inside. You'll get to see my first impressions as to what's included. I have not seen any spoilers yet, but I can't wait to see what everyone else thought of the box. So here we go. Alright, we've got the Twisted Tie-Dye pamphlet, which I will look at later. We've got the nail strips here. We've got the usual nail file. I'm looking for, because we typically have, there it is, a nail prep pad. So that's the huge in the sub boxes. And then two lipsticks. We've got Knockout and Dramalicious. Heck yeah! I feel like do I have these? I know that I have Dramalicious because I know I purchased that one, but Knockout's actually one that I don't have. So let's take a look here. I've got Dramalicious right here. I just want to make sure I don't have it so then I can open it for y'all to see. Yep. Knockout's one of the colors I don't have, so I'm excited. But this is Dramalicious. This pink right here. Very pretty. I remember when I saw that, I wanted to buy it, and so I already have it. Definitely going to be a giveaway. I'm trying to remember which friend or sister-in-law of mine likes color. I'm thinking Mama Carla. But let's open Knockout really quick because this was one that I was going to buy but never really had the chance to. So I'm gonna open this real quick here and compare the difference between this one. Oh yeah, this one's like a satin. Yep, satin finish. So there's a color payoff difference there. That looks like it's going to be a really nice summer color. Oh, I don't need to put it back in the box because I'm keeping it. Alright. Those are two colors. And then there's something else in here that I'm shocked that they included. Hand cream. Heck yeah! I was getting very low on my Color Street lotion, which I'll show you guys. Like, I'm about halfway done. So I'm very excited that they included some hand cream. My Color Street stylist, Shannon, let us know that they're changing the Color Play box. It's now going to be a Color Play Club starting in the June box. And they're no longer going to be including like these little free gifts, but instead like product credit is what she said would be included. So I wonder if this is one of those that they're testing out and they're going to sell later or what, but sorry. You're seeing me pull away because I'm trying to smell it because it says raspberry, so I'm like waiting to see if I can smell it, but I had previously put lotion on and cuticle oil on my hands before I started this video, so ooh, it does smell like a raspberry pomegranate for sure. It's a weird feeling though. Like a, I don't want to say oily, but it's definitely a, maybe silky. Is that a good word to describe that? I don't know. But I'll let you guys know. I will test it out and see how it wears, how it how it feels on my hands after having worn it for a little bit. And see if my hands like stay moisturized or if they get dry really quickly. Alright, but what we're really here for, yes, another 5 full sets it looks like. I'm enjoying having the full sets, like that's my thing. I'd rather full sets than accent packs and the smaller ones. But this one is Twisted Rainbow. So Twisted Rainbow, oh, that's definitely like the box. That is so like the box. And that looks like a dual-ended French tip. Oh, that's so beautiful. It is like, is that a glitter or what? Like, I can't really, it's unlike anything I've ever seen Color Street come out with. That is like a kaleidoscope of awesomeness. I'm excited about that. Twisted Rainbow. Alright. We've also got Twist and Swirl. I wonder if all the names have like the word twist or something in it. Oh, so many rainbows. This is like right in time for June and Pride Month, I feel. But this is beautiful as well. Look at that. All right. We got, okay, Indigo Burst. Indigo Burst. More tie-dye. Okay, I'm actually really digging this box. Surprisingly, like, I'm not a fan of, like, tie-dye shirts, really, but this tie-dye look, I'm loving it. Just, like, the strips by themselves, but I wonder how that's going to translate on nails. And I guess I will have to look and see in the pamphlet. This one's called Paint Party. Oh my gosh. All of these strips are just like really dynamic and dimensional. Like it's hard to describe, but it's like layered. Like I don't think you can do this on your nails with just plain nail polish. I don't know. I mean, for those of you guys that are pros at painting your nails, you tell me, how do you make this with nail polish? Because I can't think of how to do it. But then again, I'm not like a pro at using nail polish. So here's Candy Melt, the last strip. Whoa, it does look like a bunch of lollipops got melted down. Definitely gives off that vibe of Candy Melt. Okay, I am loving all of these sets, and they're all design sets, and that is like uncanny because I don't think any of the boxes had where they were all design sets, but this is beautiful, and I'm surprised because I really didn't have that high expectations with a box called Twisted Tie-Dye. But I never skip on these boxes. So I'm just so happy. And for the month of May, my birthday month. So that makes me super happy. Alright, let's see. In this month's box, wow your friends and family with the Twisted Tie-Dye Color Play box. This exclusive nail collection features 5 colorful rainbow designs finished in plenty of glitter and shimmer. Follow one of our looks or create your own sparkling design inspired by bright and cheery summer colors. Bonus item, lock in moisture with an exclusive mini raspberry pomegranate hand cream that smells like summer and feels like velvet. Velvet's a good way to describe it. It is silky feeling for sure. Meet the strips. We've got Twisted Rainbow is 2 sheets of 8-finger strips. This is a glitter dual-ended French. Fuel your Twisted Rainbow with this rainbow tie-dye dual-ended French strip topped with gold glitter. Twist and Swirl, 2 sheets of 8-finger strips, glitter design. Brighten up your manicure with a whimsical twist and swirl design showcasing a gold glitter base with a multicolor pattern. Candy Melt. Make your manicure look as tasty as a candy melt with this pink and multicolored abstract design with a shimmer finish. Paint party, 2 sheets of 8-finger strips, glitter design. Host a paint party with your nails with this multicolored tie-dye polish strip in a holographic glitter finish. And then Indigo Burst, 2 sheets of 8-finger strips, shimmer design. Add an Indigo Burst to your manicure with this blue, pink, and ivory tie-dye shimmer design. And then here is Indigo Burst. And then we've got Twisted Rainbow on the front cover. Back cover's got Indigo Burst, Paint Party, and Twist and Swirl. There we go, a whole mix where you can share with us, share your tie-dye mani on social media, and use the hashtag colorplay to show the world your cool nail designs. And then some more. Indigo Burst by itself, Paint Party by itself, Twisted Rainbow by itself, and then Paint Party, Twist and Swirl, and Candy Melt. What do you guys think? Who got the box? Who loved it? Who hated it? Who is indifferent about it? Comment below, let me know. If you got this box, please double rainbow in the comments below. Otherwise, if you didn't get this box, but you still watched the whole video and you want to comment something and you don't know what to comment, do a single rainbow. And that is all. Until next time, I'll see you guys. Peace.